Everybody, welcome to Here East. This is the fifth in the series of our Future Talks, and we've done a round table just on frontier technologies.
For the first time, frontier innovation has been acknowledged as a priority and as a growth driver, not just by the kinds of people who come to these kinds of fantastic events, but by our most senior political leaders, our universities and colleges and trade unions and wider business community. And it's that broader acknowledgement of putting it on the map that I think makes this such an important moment.
We're going through a transformation, not just in the technology, but I believe in the mindset of the workforce, and most importantly, the customers, the consumers, the everyday person in the street.
Where should we be focusing our efforts?
Well, I think we had an interesting debate in the round table that actually trying to go after the big AI LLM market is possibly the wrong place to focus, because people have done that. So we can utilise that really effectively and make our businesses in the UK and London stronger, but actually focus on where our strengths are.
I think we have an opportunity to apply some strong engineering and the computer science talent that we have in the AI space to realise the true potential of what LLMs have shown us, but to do so with the discipline that our culture brings, strong engineering ethos, and to bring accuracy and I think responsibility to those technologies.